Aloha, it's Jessica Baker with Coldwell Banker Island Properties here for your Maui market update on October 25th, 2018. This week I want to share my top 3 tips for sellers who are getting ready to sell their home. First tip number 1, make sure your house is impeccably clean. Nothing beats cleaning. No amount of improvements, updates, staging, anything will be worthwhile unless your house is cleaned by a professional. That's super important too. Think about all the busy stuff that we do day to day when we're living in a home, or even if it's a second, third, fourth vacation home when we're not there. Do we really want to spend our time in that house cleaning, moving all the furniture, dusting the tops of every molding? No, probably not. So that's why the best thing you can do is hire a professional to deep clean your home before putting it on the market. Now, this deep clean also includes decluttering, putting away absolutely everything personal, clearing off the countertops, clearing off the shelves, making it look as empty as possible. And also the deep clean includes removing any smells, especially if you have pets. I myself am a dog owner and dearly love her, but sometimes we become immune to the smells from our pets. So we really want to make sure that any carpets, any fabrics are deep cleaned as well, so a buyer won't be put off by any odors. The old saying goes, if you can smell it, you can't sell it. So that's a perfect thing to keep in mind when you are getting your house ready to sell. Next step after that, if you are doing any kind of updates and improvements, think about 3 words: light, bright, and airy. Even if your general taste tends towards darker colors, cozy spaces, warm, low lighting, that's not the taste of the general population, the general buying population, especially in a place where we're on an island and we have so much natural light and beauty here that we really want to bring that outdoors in with lots of white, bright tone lights. The daylight temperature light bulbs are a terrific fix, and just as much air and light as possible. So third tip, and this one is by far the most important, is to disclose everything. As a seller of a property in Hawaii, by law, you are required to disclose all material facts about a property. And when your realtor knows about something about a property too, they're obligated to disclose it. So don't try to cover anything up. It is so much better to be honest about any repairs, anything you know about the surrounding area and the property up front, because inevitably it will wind up costing you more money in the end. So those right there are my top 3 seller tips. For more information, any questions, of course, give me a call. Now here is this week's Best Buy. This week's Best Buy is a terrific house that just came on the market this week in a great neighborhood of Old Sandhills in Wailuku. All the houses in these streets were built in the same time in the late 1940s, and this one here is no different. It's a 1/4 acre lot with a house constructed in 1949, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, almost 1,300 square feet, so a little bit larger than your typical plantation home. And it's on the market for $550,000. So 181 Nakoa Drive, hands down this week's Best Buy, and it will go fast. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Jessica Baker with Coldwell Banker Island Properties for another Maui market update. For more information, give me a call at 808-250-0840. I look forward to hearing from you. See you next week. Aloha for now.